Hello viewers, now I'm going to show you Zippo lighter. It's called Zippo Black Ice. This is totally different and latest Zippo lighter. So this is the lighter here, Zippo. This is box, Zippo box. See, made in USA. Zippo lighter made in USA. This is Black Ice Zippo. This is original box and genuine Zippo lighter. So let's see what is inside of this. This is actually warning. This manual Zippo lighter is genuine. This paper is very important. Genuine Zippo windproof lighter, timeless design. Click. This is the sound of Zippo lighter. So let's check. This is the box. Inside the box, see, this is just like a mirror. This is another paper. Congratulations on your purchase of this quality Zippo product. For great tips and hints on the care of your new lighter, visit zippo.com. Okay, this is Zippo lighter. See, you can see me. This is just like mirror. This is logo, Zippo logo. Actually my fingerprint here. So this is Zippo. If you want to open it, just click. So this is actually new latest Zippo Black Ice. This is very good design and very sharp. You can purchase this without any doubt. And this is completely windproof lighter. You can see this Zippo lighter is amazing and good looking, very stylish. So this is basic Zippo. Thanks for watching and hope you like this. Please don't forget to subscribe me, like, comment and share. Thank you.